Good morning, students. Today, as I have given you the information, we are going to solve a letter which is formal letter and especially the letter to editor. First of all, I will tell you about the format of the letter, of formal letter I mean to say. In the first place, we write the sender's address. As we have written here, the sender's address. Then the person who is writing the letter. Then date, present day when we write the letter, and today is 17 September 2020. Then third place will be given to receiver's address. And the receiver here is the editor of a newspaper to whom we are going to write a letter for giving our complaint or some informations. So the receiver is the editor of the Times of India, New Delhi. These two addresses with date in between should be written very neatly and all the first letters capital in the addresses. After that we write the subject of the letter. Here the topic I have chosen is safety of women. How women are unsafe these days, or the problem of this molestation or teasing the girls, ladies, females is increasing day by day. So our subject is safety of women. Then salutation. And here we have written only sir also can be written or dear sir also. So I have written dear sir. To the editor we are addressing. Then main part of the letter is the body of the letter. The main, the most important part I mean to say, where we mention everything which is required in writing a letter to editor. So in this body of the letter paragraph also, we write first introduction, which topic we are going to write and why are we writing that, what is the reason behind that. So introduction and purpose of writing. Purpose means that our intention is to aware the people or to rise the authorities from their sleep. Next, the details in the same paragraph, the body of the letter. The details are to be written how the problem is increasing or how we are suffering or the public is suffering from that problem, due to that problem. Then after writing the complete things about the problem, we write the concluding paragraph. Concluding paragraph means we have to sum up or end up the paragraph or the letter. And before that, we write some lines that we are hopeful also. In the concluding paragraph, we write the important part that with a hope we are ending our letter. And before the sender's name, sign and designation, we write some complimentary closing. As we are writing to the editor and the letter will be published in a newspaper, and the newspapers are the main source of giving information or to aware the people about any problem or for any problem in abundance I mean. Then authorities will also come to know about the problem. Earlier also the authorities know, but the actions are not taken. And as we are in the democratic India, democratic world actually, mainly I say, so democratic India we are living, so we are free to share our problems through the media, newspapers or press. So we write these letters for the newspapers. And in the end we write the sender's name, sign and designation, post of that person. Post means here that can be a student, that can be citizen, and the person can be having some designation in the society also. So these things are clear. This sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation. Then the starting, the beginning of this type of letter, the letter to editor. In common, any topic we can get in the examination, any topic can be there, and we can start the letter in the same way. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper. आपका जो esteemed मतलब बहुत respected, prestigious न्यूज़पेपर है, उसके थ्रू आई विश टू ड्रॉ द अटेंशन ऑफ द रीडर्स. Here the important point is we want to aware the readers also, the public also, and the higher authorities also who are related to that problem or who can solve the problem very easily. So attention of the readers and higher authorities towards the issue, or here we can write towards the problem of women's safety in our society. As this topic I have taken for an example, the safety of women in our society. We are talking about now the whole India, I mean the whole country we are talking about it. As we know, these days in the newspapers or in the news we hear mainly the teasing of the girls or ladies made in the newspapers, or anywhere we can find these news. So how shameful it is. Now we are going to explain the problem or giving our views more and more. कितना shameful है ये that in a country where goddesses are worshipped, हम नवरात्रि पूजा करते हैं, हम वैष्णो देवी माता की पूजा करते हैं, या goddesses की किसी भी और दूसरे वे में हम पूजा करते हैं, we worship them and we bow our heads before them. लेकिन उसी देश में in the same country the ladies, the girls are not respected, even they are teased. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं बिल्कुल बहुत ही क्लियरली, कितनी शेमफुल बात है ये कि एक ऐसा देश जहाँ गॉडेसेस की तो पूजा होती है एंड पीपल मेक ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ सैक्रिफाइसेस फॉर देम. इट मीन्स बिफोर द गॉडेसेस और फॉर द sake of our like ambitions or some wish we want them to grant to us. हम उनके लिए कुछ भी सेक्रीफाइस करने को तैयार रहते हैं कि हमारी ये विश पूरी हो, हम ये करेंगे आपके लिए. मीन्स दिस इज मेनली रिटन फॉर द गॉडेसेस और फॉर द वर्शिपिंग ऑफ गॉडेसेस. तो एंड मेक ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ सेक्रीफाइसेस फॉर देम. आर वीमेन आर स्टिल स्टॉप्ड, स्टेयर्ड एट एंड मोलेस्टेड. लेकिन हमारे देश में, हमारे कंट्री में लेडीज़ को घूरा जाता है बहुत ही बुरे तरीके से और उनको टॉर्चर किया जाता है मेंटली, फिजिकली, एंड दे आर मोलेस्टेड ऑल्सो. आई मीन फिजिकली दे आर हर्ट और दे आर गिवन so many problems that even every day we are not able to count the numbers how it is happening in the whole India. So molested newspapers are full of incidents of such. The newspapers are full of such incidents every day. हमें पता है कि न्यूज़पेपर्स और नाउ तो वी नो दैट इन न्यूज़ चैनल्स ऑल्सो द न्यूज़ आर एवरी मिनट एवरी सेकेंड वी कैन गेट मोर एंड मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. इवन कभी कभी तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सेस में हमें मिलता है. तो सच इंसिडेंट्स एवरी डे. नाउ आई कम टू द कंक्लूडिंग पैरा. इट मे बी डिफरेंट ऑल्सो व्हेन वी राइट ए लेटर और व्हेन वी starting can be in the same manner. These things, these lines, words or statements can be changed also, and that depends upon the topic itself. Then the concluding para I write, I appeal, I request to all men folk, जेंट्स के लिए, मेल के लिए, ये सब है कि I appeal, मैं अपील करता हूँ एज ए अवेयर सिटीजन ऑफ द कंट्री ऑफ to all men folk that it is high time they change their attitude and mindset. That need, the importance is of changing the whole mindset of the male or the gents. I request to the police and judiciary. देखिए जुडिशियरी के बिना तो nothing is possible and police is for the safety of the local public. So police और judiciary जो कानून बनाते हैं और जो कानून का पालन करवाते हैं, हमारे जज, हमारे वकील, जजेस की बात करें स्पेशली, जुडिशियरी ऑल्सो टू पनिश द ऑफेंडर्स. जो भी गुनहगार हैं, जो टॉर्चर करते हैं गर्ल्स को, लेडीज़ को, उनको पनिशमेंट भी दिया जाए एंड इन्फोर्स स्ट्रिक्ट लॉज. कानून बिल्कुल स्ट्रिक्ट बनाए जाए एंड दैट वुड सेट एन एग्जाम्पल फॉर अदर्स. इफ टू सम पीपल, if you remember that one doctor was murdered very badly after so many molestation tortures with that girl, the victims were just shot off. पुलिस ने उनका encounter कर दिया था. And I think maximum people, 99% people were happy for that case. So these examples are for others also. Before doing bad, they will think about the examples which are already set in the society. Only then our women will get respect. As the country gives respect, a lot of respect to the female and ladies, so again the environment will be full of respect. And ultimately we write yours faithfully, then the name and designation of that person who is writing. So overall, this letter is related to the safety of women topic. Format I have told you. The format is having these 4 points: sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, body of the letter, and in body of the letter, introduction and purpose of writing, and details also. Then concluding paragraph also while ending. Then complimentary closing and sender's name and signature and designation. I hope you will understand the sample this letter and you will do the practice of the same in your notebooks.